Hey there guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be solving a nice equation where we have radicals, logarithm, and exponents. So let's go ahead and solve this for x. So we have the square root of x to the power of log x with base 5 minus 1, and that is equal to 5. And obviously we want to solve for x values. But before we do that, notice that we have the square root of x, therefore x should be something positive, or actually something non-negative. So keep that in mind, and let's go ahead and solve this for x. So first of all, when I look at this, since we have the log of x with base 5, it kind of a tendency for me to take the log of both sides with base 5. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and take the log of both sides with base 5. We're going to have a log of root x to the power of log x with base 5 and then minus 1 with base 5 equals log 5 with base 5. Cool. Now, if you look at this, you can see that this is 1. And on the left-hand side, we have log of something to the power of something. Therefore, we can use the power rule and take this and bring it in front. So we're going to have log x with base 5 minus 1, that's the power, times log of root x with base 5 equals 1. Now notice that the square root of x can be replaced with x to the power of 1/2. So we can say that we have log x with base 5 minus 1 times log of x to the power of 1/2 with base 5 equals 1. Again, we can use the power rule and take this and bring it in front. So if we do that, we're going to have 1 over 2 times log x with base 5 minus 1 times log x with base 5 equals 1. Next, let's go ahead and multiply everything by 2 to simplify this. So we're going to have log x with base 5 minus 1 times log x with base 5 equals 2. Cool. Now we can see that we are repeating log x with base 5, right? So let's go ahead and replace this with something like y. In this way, we're going to have y minus 1 times y equals 2. And from this, we're going to get a quadratic equation, and that is y squared minus y minus 2 equals 0. Obviously, from this, we can say that y is either equal to -1 or it is equal to 2. Cool. Remember that y is log x with base 5. Therefore, we can say that either log x with base 5 is -1 or log x with base 5 is 2. By using the definition of logarithm from the first one, we can say that x is 5 to the power of -1, and that is equal to 1 over 5. From the second one, we can say that x is 5 squared, and that is 25. Great. So x is either equal to 1/5 or it is 25. So we have two solutions, and both of them are valid solutions. And this brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please consider subscribing for more contents like this, and hit the like button if you enjoyed watching this. Hopefully, I will see you later. Goodbye for now.